friends, happy Tuesday. It's our second day of Spider Week. We are going to make a spider web. So I have a black piece of paper, a white crayon, and a bottle of glue. And I'm going to show you a little something extra that Mrs. Newland showed me that you can also do. All right, so first I'm going to draw out my spider web. So the first spider web I'm going to do is a circle spider web. I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to draw it first before I put my glue on. Okay, and then I'm going to do this. Okay, see how I drew it out first? Now I'm going to do one that goes this way. It's kind of in the corner. See how I'm just drawing my lines? And then I'm going to make my lines go this way. Okay, now I have my glue bottle. I'm going to shake it down to get the glue out. And I'm going to start. I'm going to go around the circles first, I think. Taking my time. Going around the circles. Okay, and then I'm going to go over my lines that I drew. So I kind of drew a line this way, line this way. All right, and see how I'm just drawing my glue around? Okay, now I'm going to go over and put my glue on this side too. These are pretty cool. Okay, and then I'm going to add lines going this way. So see my spider webs? So I made two different kinds of spider webs. Now, are you ready? Mrs. Newlands showed me this idea. So I'm going to get this tray and put it in here. And then we are going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. If you do not want to do this, you do not have to. But if you want to, you can sprinkle a little bit of salt over it, over your spider web. So I'm just sprinkling a little bit around. And see how I'm doing it inside of this container? That is so the salt is not going all over my table. It's going to be easy to clean up. Okay, now watch. I have some salt on there. I'm going to pick my paper up, but inside of the container so I don't make a big mess. And I'm going to shake the salt around this way a little bit. And I'm going to shake the salt around this way a little bit. And it looks like it is pretty well covered in salt now. So I'm going to temp off my excess salt. Now, Mrs. Newlands found the coolest idea. You can paint on this salt. Not right now. It has to dry. So later in the week, we're going to go over how to paint these spider webs. So we're going to use some watercolors and paint over the salt. It's going to be pretty cool. So remember, if you want to add the salt, you can. If you do not want to add the salt, just the glue will dry and make you a really super cool spider web. All right, my friends, I will see you back here, or I'll see you in just a few minutes.